welcome back to Kids Fun Lab. We will be making 3 no glue slimes which have basic ingredients you could find around your house. So it's gonna be super fun and everyone can make it because it's just basic ingredients. So let's just get started, with the slime number 1. The ingredients you'll need for this slime is some hair conditioner, some cornstarch, a bowl, a spoon, and like something big, a big spoon so you could just scoop out easily, and some food coloring is optional, your choice. So first we're just gonna add a spoon of cornstarch. I'm not giving exact measurements, it's how much Play-Doh / slime you wanna make. I'm using this much. Okay, that looks enough. We're just gonna put the lid back on. So this recipe is super simple, and we're just gonna now just squeeze out a little bit of conditioner until you're happy with your consistency. So we're just gonna squeeze it out. I'm adding this much and just mix it up. Okay, this is like fun part because we are gonna make an awesome Play-Doh / slime, and it's just gonna be super cool. And you could just make it a rainbow by making a lot of stuff and just taking it together and make satisfying videos. It's just gonna be awesome. And the best part is this slime is gonna be scented, like awesomely scented. So you wanna get a conditioner which you love the smell of because slime is gonna smell like your conditioner. So after, we have to give up on the spoon, and I'll just go in with my magical hands to make this magical slime. Oh my goodness, this feels like butter slime, to be honest. So to make your slime a little more vibrant, I'm just gonna add my food coloring to it. And now I'm trying to make my slime mint green. Make mint green butter slime. Super awesome. It might turn out like a fluorescent green or yellowish green, or it will turn out mint green. It is kind of Play-Doh, but slime. That's what I love about this. It will turn non-sticky if you play with it for a while. I mean, it is non-sticky, but if you go in with your hands when it's sticky, your hands might get messy. I love this. This is like the best slime. If people who are not like so good at those sticky slimes, you should obviously try this out because this is like Play-Doh / slime. It's not like really like slime, but it is super awesome. Okay, so we're just gonna go on to slime number 2, and this is how my slime looks like. So for this slime, you'll need shampoo and some salt. Now, how easy is that? You could find that in your house like super easily. So the slime color would also depend on your shampoo. So yeah, you need to be careful of that. And we're just gonna add a shampoo in. Ooh, this shampoo is glossy. And now we're just gonna add some food coloring to it to make it more vibrant. I'm adding 2 drops of purple food coloring, and we're gonna keep that aside too. So now we're just gonna mix it up. Ooh, this is so glossy. I love this. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now we're just gonna add like a pinch of salt and just keep on adding pinch because we don't want it. If you add a lot of salt, your slime might not be the slime you want it to be. So we're just gonna add a pinch, and you'll kind of feel after that the slime is coming together. That's how you should see the slime because it's not gonna like really activate that much. You have to refrigerate it. So now we're just gonna refrigerate it. I think it's enough, and we're just gonna refrigerate it and see the results. So this is slime number 2, and it's ready out of the refrigerator. It is super nice, as you can see. Wait, I'm just gonna take it out. It turns out to be like a jelly texture, though it might be sticky from the very bottom, but you could still play with it, and it's super fun. So I think this slime turned out super awesome, and I would not mind getting messy because this slime actually feels so nice. It's just I just wonder who would just mix salt and shampoo and see if it turns out to be as a slime. Now we're on to slime number 3, and it is the best. So these these two ingredients are super easy to find at your home, and they are some lotion and toothpaste. So first we're just gonna keep the lotion aside because we don't need it right now. First we're just gonna pour our Colgate into our bowl. So I'm using 2 bottles of Colgate. So after we microwave the toothpaste, it turns out to be like a thick layer on top, and you have to let it cool down for a while. So this is how mine looks like right now. It's super hot, and we need to let it cool down for a while, and then play with it. So after letting your toothpaste cool down, this is how it should look like. And if you think it's like after cooling down it is a consistency which shouldn't be, you could add a little cornstarch, and I'm just gonna do that right now because I think this is not the consistency it should be. Okay, looks pretty good, but I don't know if it'll gonna work with lotion, but let's just see it out. So now after mixing it up, the consistency is like frosting, and now we're just gonna add on a little lotion, and yeah, that looks enough. And now we just stir it up. I think that much lotion is enough, and now we just stir it up again. So after you make your toothpaste slime, it's supposed to turn out like this. I'm super happy with the way the slime turned out, and it is super fun to play with. This is the slime number 3 and the best slime. It's so awesome. I've kept all 3 slimes over here. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I want you to comment down below which no glue slime was your favorite, and you're surely gonna try out at your home. So I hope you liked this video. Bye guys!